is long, I lift my eyes to where I belong. With every step through the pain and the storm, I know I'm safe. With Jesus I'm reborn. With Jesus I am strong, I can carry on. His love is my light, my strength, my song. Through every trial, through every tear, I stand on His promise. There's nothing to fear. When my heart is broken and my faith is low, I call on His name and His grace overflows. He heals the wounds that no one can see. In His arms I am set free. With Jesus I am strong, I can carry on. His love is my light, my strength, my song. Through every trial, through every tear, I stand on His promise. There's nothing to fear. In the darkest of nights, I will trust in His might. For He is my refuge, my Savior, my life. No matter the battle, no matter the fight, with Jesus I'll conquer, I'll rise to new heights. With Jesus I am strong, I can carry on. His love is my light, my strength, my song. There's nothing to fear. With Jesus I am strong, I am whole. He heals my body and He saves my soul.